Hi guys, Mikey here. I just want to show you something. This is Cacá, our pet bird. She's a cockatiel. And for some reason, she really loves me. She follows me everywhere. I want to show you. She thinks I'm going to my bedroom and she's trying to follow me there. But nope, I'm not. Let's go back. She's waiting, expecting me to return so she can rush into the bedroom. You see her? She's gonna come. She's gonna come. There she comes. If I hurry over there, as if I'm going to my bedroom, she's gonna hurry too. Watch this. She even flies. Now let me hurry back. She's probably gonna tweet. There she goes. I'm here, Cacá. Oh, what a cute bird you are. You are a very cute little bird. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Okay, the world presents some problems and we don't know what to do. You've come to find your feelings and exactly what you knew. The odds are stacked quite poorly if without a will.